In this video, we can talk about top 5 Paychex Flex alternatives and competitors. Hey all, good to have you back on our Alternatives Code channel. In this video today, you will come across the best alternatives to Paychex Flex in order to have more options for payroll and HR needs, and the top 5 alternatives of Paychex Flex, which are Rippling, Deel, Keka, Gusto, and Paycor. Let's get started now. The first alternative we have is Rippling. Rippling is a modern HR platform that simplifies HR and IT operations. It offers features like full-service payroll, applicants tracking, and learning management. With Rippling, you can automate various HR processes, saving valuable time and minimizing errors. Rippling's integrated IT management capabilities is. Rippling's standout feature is its automated employee data sync, which ensures that all employee information is up to date across different systems, saving you time and reducing errors. Next up is Deel. Deel is a remote work platform that simplifies global payroll and compliance. It offers features like onboarding, compliance management, and real-time analytics. It caters to businesses expanding their global workforce, providing a seamless experience for remote talent management. The standout feature of Deel is its built-in compliance support, which helps navigate the complexities of hiring and paying remote workers globally. Third one on our list is Keka. Keka is a modern HR and payroll management platform that offers an exclusive range of features, and the key features are people management, payroll tracking, and performance evaluation. Its user-friendly interface and customizable workflows make it easy to manage your HR processes efficiently. One standout feature of Keka is its employee self-service portal, empowering employees to access their information, apply for leave, and update personal details. Our fourth alternative is Gusto. Gusto is a modern HR platform designed to automate and streamline your payroll and benefits management. It comes with key features like HR management, payroll management, and performance management. Gusto is ideal for small and medium-sized businesses seeking a user-friendly HR solution. One standout feature of Keka is its employee self-service portal, empowering employees to access their information, apply for leave, and update personal details. Last but not the least, we have Paycor. Paycor is a comprehensive HR and payroll software designed to meet the needs of businesses across various industries. It offers features like recruiting, expense management, and workforce management. It is excellent software that excels in providing automation capabilities for payroll processing. However, one of the standout features that lets Paycor stand out with is its HR compliance support, providing businesses with resources, tools, and updates to ensure they stay compliant with changing labor laws and regulations. Compared to Paychex Flex, Rippling excels in its automated employee data synchronization, ensuring accurate and up-to-date information across different systems. Deel focuses on simplifying global payroll and compliance, specifically for remote workers. Keka provides a comprehensive HR and payroll software solution and a user-friendly interface. Gusto streamlines the process of managing employee benefits, including health insurance, retirement plans, and commuter benefits. And Paycor stands out with predictive analytics and automated scheduling, empowering data-driven decision-making. Based on the alternatives provided earlier, we would recommend Gusto as the most relevant alternative to Paychex Flex. Gusto offers similar payroll processing, tax filing, and benefits administration features, making it a suitable replacement for Paychex Flex. If you are primarily seeking a comprehensive payroll and HR solution with a focus on benefits administration, Gusto would be the best alternative for your business. We hope this comparison has provided valuable insights to help you select the right payroll and HR software for your business needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.